Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatGPT. You will click on settings. Here in this page you will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about ChatGPT and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will go to Play Store and you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.